Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about the ScrapeGraphAI, one of the best AI web scraping solution in 2025. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about ScrapeGraphAI. ScrapeGraphAI is one of the most innovative web scraping solution in 2025, blending large language model with graph-based pipeline to make data extraction smarter and even more adaptive. It can handle static page, dynamic content through a playwright, and even convert site into main markdown with features like Markdownify and a search graph. For developer, it's flexible, open source friendly, and support multiple formats, which make it a powerful tool for complex scraping tasks. On the other side, ScrapeGraphAI isn't the best or very best for beginner friendly, as it requires technical skills to set up prompt, APIs, and pipelines. Can also struggle with highly protected or JavaScript heavy site, and handling hub usage may increase cost or resource demand. Still, for developer or teams looking for advanced AI-driven scraping framework, ScrapeGraphAI stands out as one of the best solutions in 2025. And that's it. Hope you found the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.